Neareal's 12-pack replacement filters are designed exclusively for the 3.2L stainless steel pet fountain, ensuring fresher, healthier water for your pets. Each filter features an upgraded 3-stage system that traps hair and debris, softens hard water, and eliminates odors for clean, crisp hydration. This value pack includes 12 filters and 12 pre-filter sponges, offering uninterrupted filtration for over 3 months. For best results, replace filters every 10 to 14 days, or weekly for heavy use. Ready to install, just soak and rinse before use. Worth a look if you want reliable, easy maintenance for multi-pet homes.